Alright, how do we make, for example, an automatic furnace within the simple storage mod? Well, basically what we'll need is to create a storage network, okay? We'll place it and connect a table to it, got it? In this case, a storage request table, so we can craft and access the network. We'll simply take a network cable, extend it, and through a link cable we can connect chests, okay? Important, it must be through a link cable, okay? Because if I take this now, break it, and put a link cable, you see it doesn't connect and I no longer have inventory. So that part is important, got it? Here we'd put a chest with items inside, or we'd put them through here. So if I do this now, okay? So you can see it, and now I open the chest. As you can see, it has all these items here. Okay, so now we'll basically take a cable for exporting and one for importing, alright? The import one will simply be for taking items from the furnace and bringing them to the inventory. In this case, we'll take the furnace output from below. A normal furnace in Minecraft, if we approach it from the side, what we're going to do is place what would be coal, okay? This is important because all furnaces work the same way. We're going to place coal here, alright? And now we simply crouch and right click, and here we'd have like a filter for the items we allow through, okay? After all, this is a furnace. So we'll select the coal, crouch, place the coal here, and it starts moving as we can see. Well, on the other hand, what we're going to do is put an export cable again, okay? And now what we'll do is link these cables, and in the export cable, let's say we want to put an ore, okay? The iron ore. Well, let's put iron ore here in the inventory. We'll put it here in the filter, okay? We select it, put it in, and then the iron ore should start moving, right? Important to note, it's a bit buggy, okay? I'm not going to lie to you, alright? Sometimes having two connections, at least in the version I'm using, gets a bit confusing, you see? There, it's disconnected, and it makes it a bit tedious, okay? Now it seems both are connected. You see that it's not showing coal now, so you might ask why, if it's connected. Well, I don't understand it either, okay? But yeah, it's a little buggy. The real solution here would be to update, okay? Update the version or simply avoid automating the furnace, or maybe automate the furnace with hoppers or something that would make this easier, alright? Anyway, I think it's just my version. On the other hand, importantly, when you update the world, you see this import is disconnected. Well, when you update the world, the cables also disconnect, okay? I repeat, all this is in my version. They unlink, which means if you had a very large center, every time you wanted to use it, you'd have to remove the cables, put them back, and reconfigure the filters, which is absurd, right? I repeat, I think this only happens in my version. I've seen quite a few tutorials where everything works perfectly the first time, so don't worry. And, well, with this, we could now make an automatic furnace.